Cavalier and newcomers Real Mona are in a straight fight for the last semi-final spot as the Jamaica Women's Premier League preliminary round comes to an end on Saturday with 6 games. Christopher Scott reports.
Zone A teams, Cavalier on 15 points and Real Mona on 14, are both looking to make it into next week's semi-finals. Perennial semi-finalist Cavalier were unbeaten up to 2 rounds ago before losing back-to-back games to Proven Girls and Arnett Gardens. Real Mona, who are in their first season, were awarded 3 points from an unplayed game against Proven Girls and then defeated Wi-Fi United last week to put themselves into third behind Arnett and Cavalier. Both teams will clash in the decider at the Jerusalem Stadium in Waterhouse. Cavalier got the better of Real Mona 1-0 in their first meeting. The other games in the zone will see semi-finalist Arnett Gardens taking on Proven Girls at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex, while Wi-Fi United play UE Women at the UE Mona Bowl. Over in Zone B, the 2 semi-finalists are defending champions Fraser's Whip and Los Perfectos. The champions, who are looking to remain perfect, will host Roma Bay at the Excelsior High School ground. Los Perfectos will travel to Irwin High, where they will face Springers United, while Mile Gully will be at home to Federal United at the Mile Gully Community Centre. All games will kick off at 3:30 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.